Today, I gotta roll my fenders because I just got these new wheels right here. My shit. Anyway, so I just got these new wheels and they keep rubbing over here every time I hit a bumper. And you can see the tire right here. It's already like eating away the fucking tire. So right now I'm gonna take out the wheel and I'm gonna roll the fenders. So I stop rubbing. So once you take out the wheel, you gotta remove this fender plastic shit. So just take out the screws, move it out the way, so you can get the tool under here and start rolling. Just get a screwdriver and take that shit out. Okay, so once you get this shit on, you gotta use these little things so you can put the nuts on there. So it's kind of centers itself, I guess. Whatever, just use that. Okay, so now make sure you hit the paint so it doesn't start cracking and shit, you know? Okay, so once you hit out the paint, start rolling. Just out the way. Just go back and forth. Slowly. Add more pressure. Once the paint cools down, speed it up again, bro. Okay, so for the front, since the tire was already bending it, already cracked the paint, and then me rolling it made it probably worse. I ended up cutting the plastic from the inside, but for the back it was a little easier. All it has is this, and I just pulled it and it came off, and it was easier to roll it. And over here I didn't even crack the paint, nothing. So for the back I'm just gonna leave it like this. So hopefully that should be good. Over here I haven't done it, but you can see how fucked up it is already from just the tire itself. I don't know how these came out. So I'm probably gonna make it worse once I roll it, but it's better than getting my fucking tire chewed up. Okay, so I did all the way 4 tires. Here's this side. I thought it was gonna crack more, but it didn't. They cut the plastic from the inside a little bit. In the back, I still use this. Still got to use this. So here is the finished product. Hopefully it stops rubbing. It might still hit a little bit since I didn't pull it out. Since I didn't pull out the fenders, I just bent the inside part. So here's the finished product. That is it. Not too hard to roll the fenders. As long as you keep the heat gun on it, on the paint, it won't crack.